Hey guys, Itshlengy I'm back again with another beautiful video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this really cute two-piece outfit. But I'm going to be showing you how I made the top. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Itshlengy and I do skin, hair and fashion videos. And let's get to the video. So this is the skirt that I made. Actually this is a dress, but I'm more comfortable wearing it as a skirt. So this is the leftover material that I was using to make the dress. So now I'm gonna make a top on something like this. So this is the material that I'm going to be using. So now first I just want to create the front side of the top. So I'm going to be making the breast side. So I'm going to be using this top as a pattern to guide me when I'm cutting the material. So I'm cutting out the breasts. Yeah, these are the breasts. Now I'm cutting out the front side of the top. So I really like this outfit. You can rock it when you're going to the beach or just going out. So now I'm done with the front. So this is going to be the back part and those are going to be my straps. So now it's time for me to put my my top together. So I'm done sewing the breast side and I'm done sewing the front. So now I'm just putting everything together. So I'm not going to show you the process because I'm using my hands to sew. My sewing machine broke, so I'm done sewing the front. So now I'm going to sew the back. But what I didn't show you guys is that I've put an elastic band. As you can see, I want my top to be stretchy, so this is also the back. I also put some elastic band for my top to be stretchy and comfortable. So I'm actually done with the top. Please rate my top if you like it. Make sure to hit that like button and leave a heart. Share this video with other people who are interested in fashion videos, and then I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.